On October 2nd, 2018, Pennsylvania experienced its largest October tornado outbreak on record and its largest outbreak overall in more than 20 years, leading to rare sights like this in the Keystone State, a big tornado that was spotted near TOWNVILLE, Pennsylvania. And this was just one of many tornadoes that touched down on this day last year. Now, if you look at Pennsylvania as a whole, the Commonwealth is served by 5 National Weather Service offices, and cumulatively they had to issue 32 tornado warnings on October 2nd, 2018. If you look at the period of record, prior to this there had only been 5 tornado warnings issued during the month of October for the state. So that was by far an outlier. And in fact, there had only been 2 other months in total in which there were more tornado warnings issued. 64 of them in June of 1998 and 33 of them in May of 1998. So this was a pretty mind-boggling day for the state of Pennsylvania. Now, when all the damage surveys were completed, 16 tornadoes were confirmed to have touched down in the state that day, including this one, an EF2 near Brookville, Pennsylvania. That is in Jefferson County. This damaged a cemetery, many buildings, and toppled a ton of trees in heavily forested areas. EF2 tornadoes, by the way, are fairly rare for the state of Pennsylvania as well. In total, 16 tornadoes touched down. 4 of them were rated EF2. 7 were rated EF1 and 5 were rated EF0. They were generally across the northern and the western part of the state back on October 2nd of last year. Now, this number, 16, is fairly impressive because not only was it the most number of tornadoes in a single October day, it was more tornadoes than the previous 68 Octobers combined. That's the rest of the period of record. There were only 13 from 1950 to 2017. Certainly a historic day for the Keystone State.